Welcome to Vision Academy. In today's tutorial, we are going to explore something very unique and exciting. First, we will have a quick look at the type of video that can be generated using this tool. Then, step by step, I will explain the complete process to create a similar video on your own. So, let's begin. Let's have a look at the video generated. In this video, we will learn how to create this type of video from scratch. Open your web browser and type Clipfly AI in the search bar. From the results, click on the official website link to enter the platform. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right-hand corner. Click on the Sign In button. Here you will get three options: sign in with Facebook, sign in with Google, or manually enter your email and password to log in. For this tutorial, I will click on the Sign In with Google button. After signing in, scroll down a little bit. You will see different AI video generation options. Here, click on AI French Kiss. This is the tool we will use to generate our kissing video. Before we generate a video, we need to upload an image. But instead of using random photos, let's create our own unique image. I highly recommend not using any celebrity photos or personal photos without permission. Always generate safe and original content. To upload an image, first we need to create one image using AI tools. Open a new tab and go to ChatGPT. Type the following instruction. Give me the prompt to generate an image consisting of a handsome man and a beautiful woman sitting together looking front in the camera. Once you hit submit, ChatGPT will generate a detailed image prompt for you. Copy this prompt carefully. We will use it in the next step to generate our custom image. Now go to Leonardo AI by typing leonardo.ai in your browser. Click on Launch App. Once you are logged in, click on the Image button to start generating images. Before you paste the prompt, make sure the image ratio is set to 16:9. This is very important because videos generally work better in widescreen ratio. Now paste the prompt that you copied from ChatGPT into Leonardo AI. Click Generate and wait for the images to be created. After a few moments, Leonardo AI will display multiple images. Choose the one you like the most and click Download to save it onto your computer. Now go back to Clipfly AI. Click on the Upload section and select the image you just downloaded from Leonardo AI. Once again, I would like to humbly request you, please do not use celebrity images or personal photos without permission. Only use AI-generated or your own original photos for safe and creative results. On the right-hand side of Clipfly AI, keep the image layout as single. For aspect ratio, select Custom. This allows you to control the dimensions according to your preference. Now click on the Generate button. Clipfly AI will now take a few moments to generate your kissing video. The time depends on the complexity of the image and the server load. So be patient and allow the tool to process your request. Once the video is generated, you will see a preview. Click play and watch the kissing video that Clipfly AI has created. If you are happy with the result, you can click the Download button to save it onto your computer. If you want a slightly different result, you can re-upload another image or change the layout and generate again. Now you can check out the video generated by Clipfly AI. It's quick, creative, and requires no advanced editing skills. So in this tutorial, we learn step by step how to create an AI kissing video using Clipfly AI. We started by signing into Clipfly AI. Then we used ChatGPT to generate an image prompt. After that, we created a high-quality image using Leonardo AI. We uploaded the image to Clipfly AI, set the layout and aspect ratio, and finally generated a kissing video. The best part is that this method is beginner-friendly and completely online. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Vision Academy, and press the bell icon for future updates. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of tutorials you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching Vision Academy. See you in the next video.